Good afternoon, everyone. Rancher Banyan here, doing a cattle drive. Going over the hill to the next part of the farm. Got some happy cattle here, moving to their next paddock. So we came from down there, and yeah, there's one of those things down there. I'm gonna do a video on that thing, I tell you. It's a good piece of machine to have if you have cattle. So that'll be a surprise video for everyone. But there's the last of the calves. Here they come. There they go, over the hill to the next paddock. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you on the next video.